So there's a real demand for this from your clients. And of course, it's going where it's easy for them. It's on the screen of their mobile phone. It's what they're used to. And everyone and their granny now is on Zoom, aren't they? Or on some sort of connection tool to speak with family members wherever they may be. So if that's something you want to find out more about, how the tools, how that communication, how that tech forward and engaging points that Jennifer was describing about might be able to help you, then really happy to chat further and share ideas together as well. I'm going to come back to this other question from the other Jennifer on the line just now, which was saying, and perhaps it's a bit more appropriate now actually, given what we've just touched on there, but it was saying lots of people speak about advisory. I take that to mean giving good information off the back of real-time and relevant data. Would you describe it otherwise? And is that another way to leverage and charge more too? So what's your thoughts on that, Jen?
Well, my answer is absolutely. Now, in this time of advisory, Complete Controller, our company has decided that we want to stick with the client accounting services. And so our model is to push to the expert for the advice. So when we see a need, then that gives us an opportunity to touch that client's expert, whether it be their CPA, their tax accountant, their payroll and HR company, maybe their business attorney, and push to them so that they can then fulfill their role, just because our philosophy is that a team is better than a one-stop shop. But for those of you that are the advisors, that are the experts, absolutely 100%. I want to say that one of the reasons why clients do not use the advisory services of their CPAs and their attorneys more often is because every time they call, every time they email, it costs them money. And it's not money that perhaps they budgeted for, or they don't know how much it's going to cost them. And it's kind of, you know, off-putting when you're ready to go buy that car and, you know, you want to call your CPA, but you're not sure if they're going to charge you half an hour to give you advice on how to structure it. Now, of course, we know as accountants that just that half-hour investment of time that they pay for is going to save them probably monumental amounts in taxes, right? But they don't see it that way. So by creating an advisory subscription or a management subscription over the top of that relationship that you have with them, you can create a safe place for them to come to you regularly. And that could be something that's very valuable, increases trust, and increases client touch.